Hey everybody, I promised that we would get our brand new Paw Patrol toys in the water and check them out. So that's what we're doing today. We've got all of these awesome swimming toys. Here is Marshall, and you wind them up and they swim. And look at this, we've even got Tracker and Sky and Chase. Chase paddles his feet, and these toys are so cool. I cannot wait to see them swim in the water. Plus, we have the new Paw Patrol Sea Patrol Squirters. And here is Zuma. So these are a lot of fun, and we're going to check them out in our tank. Keep an eye out because soon we'll be doing a video of Captain Turbot's diving bell. This is also a water toy, and it is a lot of fun. There's Rocky, Captain Turbot, and we also have the Zuma and Ryder Bath Adventure. And look at that cool Ryder in his scuba gear. And there's Wally and some boat anchors. And there is Zuma's submarine. So these are two really cool sets that we'll be doing in another video. But right now, let's check these toys out in the water. So let's see how he works. Fill him up full of water. See how he fills up? Squeeze all the air out. And he squirts out water. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very nice, Chase. You did a great job. Let's see who else we have. Zuma. He's ready to dive on in. Here you go, Zuma. Can you get Chase? Very nice. He got Chase all wet. Here's our last Sea Patrol pup. We've got Rocky. He's under the water. He'll dive on in. He's swimming. Woohoo! Filling up full of water. He's gonna squirt Zuma. He got Zuma. Nice going, Rocky. Hey, Rocky, I thought you didn't like to be wet. Well, I'm a Sea Patrol pup now, so I have to get wet, wet, wet. Woohoo! Let's try out some of those boats. Here's our first boat. It's Rocky. So we're gonna wind him up. And we're gonna let him go in the water. Woo! Let's get a closer look at that. Nice going, Rocky. Here's Chase. Time to wind Chase up. On your mark, get set, go! Chase is upside down. That's not good. Here, Rocky, you need to save Chase. Rocky to the rescue. Woof, woof. There we go. Now Chase is all better. 1, 2, 3. What a mess! First up is our construction pup, Rubble on the double. We're gonna wind him up. All right, Rubble, you ready to swim? Better turn around, Rubble. He swims so good. I think he's all tuckered out. Let's see who else wants to swim. It's Marshall. Better wind him up. One, two, three. He's doing the backstroke. Woohoo, Marshall! You'll do great on the Sea Patrol. I think Marshall's all tired. Let's see if Tracker wants to go swimming. Ruff, ruff, amigos. I'm going swimming. Tracker's our jungle pup. He has super good ears and can hear things from a long ways away. Here we go. Ah, Tracker's swimming. He likes to swim underwater. Will he catch that mischievous Mandy? Keep swimming, Tracker. Now it's Sky's turn. Wind her up. Let's go swimming. 1, 2, 3. Look at that tail go. She didn't go for long, but she sure went fast. Nice swimming, Sky. Here's Chase. We've got to wind him up. He paddles with his feet, just like Rubble. There he goes. Here comes Sky. She's dropping down in her Sea Patrol boat. And here's the squirter. Let's watch her squirt water. She's squirting it through her snorkel. This is our Sky Squirter and our Sea Patrol Sky Boat. When she's ready to get out of the water, we pull the wings out like this. And she's ready to take off. Don't take off without Sky. We're gonna pick Sky back up. Now it's time to go. And if she wants to land back in the water, we fold the wings down and she can land in the water. We've got a rubble squirter. He's in the water. Woohoo! He's swimming. Let's get him to squirt water. He squirts it out his snorkel. Nice going, Rubble. Here's Robo-Dog. He's in the water. Filling up. Zuma's diving on in. He's squirting Sky. Chase is on the case. He's under the water. Marshall! There's our cool pup. He's ready to swim. Let's fill him up. Who's Marshall gonna squirt? He got Sky! Look at that cool pup. Last but not least, Rocky. Rocky's getting wet, wet, wet. He got his Sea Patrol lifeguard badge. Now he gets to help on Sea Patrol missions. Rocky's so brave. Even though he doesn't like the water, he does it so he can help his friends. What a good pup. Super good swimming, everybody. We've had lots of fun with you. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, place them in the comments. And subscribe to my channel for lots more toys. Thanks, guys.